The soil here is good, rich and fertile. Yes, it crumbles well, perfect for jujube trees. This whole area is ready. We will have a great harvest. Initial sample looks good. Let's verify the moisture. Agreed. I'll log the pH. Inserting probe for moisture. Second sample at 25%. Good. That's optimal for jujube. Confirmed. Moving to next row. Check the pressure on that line. Pressure is steady. Container is set. Good. Activating the pivot now. Spray looks even. Good coverage. The sprouting is healthy this season. Yes, the leaves are strong and green. Let's check the other rows for consistency. Good idea. The growth here is promising. A bountiful harvest awaits. Drip irrigation technology ensures efficient water delivery to growing jujube seedlings. As you see, the growth metrics are aligning with our projections. The yield curve is up, a good sign for the expansion.
And the health indicators? Any red flags?
Vet- These leaves have good color and thickness, a promising sign. Yes, and the vein patterns are well defined. Let's check the underside. No discoloration here. The soil management is working. Agreed. Let's inspect further down the row.
이 작은 천적이 해충으로부터 대추를 지켜줄 거예요. 자연의 힘을 빌려 친환경적으로 농사를 짓는 방법이죠. 이제 천적은 스스로 먹이를 찾아갈 거예요.
The flow is too high. We must adjust for better absorption. Yes, turn it down slowly. There, the trickle is steady now. Perfect. The roots will get just enough. Moisture here is 18.5%, a bit low.
Okay, logging that, let's check the next tree.
Agreed. The map shows the next tree is drier.
Right? Let's get a reading.
Perfect. These blossoms are very healthy this year. Yes, the color is vibrant. Look for any signs of pests. None here. This branch is clear. Good. Let's check the rest. This tree is heavy with fruit. Yes, a good yield. Let's check the next one. This one is sparser. We should note that for harvest planning.
The growth looks very uniform across this section.
Agreed. The soil probe readings are consistent.
Good. Let's check the fruit set on these trees.
Yes, the data here is promising. I'll log the numbers now. Looks good? These need thinning for better size. Right, let's get the smaller ones off. These are good. Keep them spaced out. Good progress. Let's keep this up. These are ripening well. Maybe 2 more days? I agree. The color is there, but they're still firm. This section is perfect. We should start here. All right, let's tag this row. These baskets are ready. Let's fill them. Right. This pile is perfect for the first basket. I'll help pour them in. Good. We'll get a good harvest today.
조금만 더 따면 이 줄은 끝나요.
네, 거의 다 됐어요. 이 크레이트는 채웠네요.
좋아요. 다음 줄로 가죠. 같이 들어요.
조심히요. 과일이 상하지 않게.
알겠어요. 팀 수고 많으세요.
The schedule looks tight, confirming Doha port for October 5th. Confirmed. The system shows no delays. Good. And the route to Europe? Direct flight from Doha Hub. All customs pre-cleared. Excellent. Agreed.
All right, let's get these jujubes loaded. On it. Lifting now. Got mine. Heading to the ship.
Ready with this one? Send it up. Watch the edge. Clearing out. Next crate coming. Got it secure. Got it secure.
Jujube shipments arrive at international ports across continents, from bustling seaports to cargo hubs in the air, and rail yards moving goods to global markets, powering the world's supply chains.
هيا ارفعوها برفق. جاهزون. 1 2 3. حذاري لا تتلفوا الفاكهة. جيد التالي.
Sample from lot A1, starting visual check.
Color and size look uniform. Firmness is good, no soft spots. Bricks is 25, within spec.
Good. Log it and check the next crate. Clause 5 metric 2, 580s per kilo, competitive, but let's confirm the quality specs.
Agreed. The certificates look solid, but I suggest we add a penalty for moisture over 22%.
Good call. Let's flag that.
Seconded.
Global demand for jujube fruit has surged by 15% in the past 5 years. Key consumers include Korea and the Middle East. This growth highlights jujube as a fruit of increasing global importance.
The jujube export figures look very promising this quarter. Yes, a steady upward trend. Which markets are leading? Asia and Europe. This map shows our key regions. Excellent. We should expand in those areas. I agree. Okay, activating the new pivot system now. This will help us scale up jujube cultivation. Agricultural innovation enhances sustainable jujube farming techniques. For example, precision irrigation and soil enhancements increase yields. This protects the environment and ensures long-term viability. The root development on this jujube seedling is exceptional. Agreed, the leaf structure is robust. Let's check the adjacent tray for uniformity. This row shows the best growth rate. Excellent, we'll prioritize these for trials.
Assalamu alaikum. Jujube kateshum. Marshama dodakter. Hadila uberwatete hojemilve.
이 너머로 마셔모셔시.
Solar-powered systems support eco-friendly jujube cultivation. The panels generate clean energy for irrigation and monitoring. Workers tend the crops, ensuring sustainable and efficient farming.
Look at these. The color is excellent. Yes, and the texture is firm. This row is better than the last. Let's check the sweetness. Overall, a very good harvest.
These jujubes are perfect this year. Yes, the quality is excellent. Let's keep the pace. This row is almost done. On to the next. Right. The team is doing great. Checking surface integrity under magnification.
This one is 2.45 grams within spec.
No discoloration or spots. Looks good.
Weight distribution is uniform. Approved.
Export documentation confirms worldwide shipment of jujube produce.
All right, let's get this first crate loaded.
Confirmed. The manifest is updated.
Hold it steady. Positioning now. Perfect alignment. Secure it. All clear. Next crate. These jujubes look perfect for a new recipe.
Yes, they're very fresh. A good source of vitamin C.
I'll take some for my family. They sell out fast.
Hey, we've done it! Global trade is booming. Our jujubes are the best. To more growth and prosperity.
This row is done. How's the pressure reading? Pressure's good. Flow rate is up 10%. Great. I'll connect the emitters here. Perfect. Let's move to the next row. Fresh jujube, loading for distant markets. These crates keep the cold chain intact. Fleet's ready to roll, freshness guaranteed.
A milestone for our partnership
Indeed, this ensures stability
and prosperity for both.
to many more agreements.
A pleasure doing business.
Likewise.
The pH is holding steady, good for the next planting.
Salinity is low too. That's promising.
Let's check moisture deeper down for the roots. Agreed, and organic matter looks good. Perfect, we're ready for planting.
Our analysis confirms a 20% yield increase.
Excellent. The new drone data is integrating now. It's strengthening our global model. New nodes are connecting in real time.
The fruits were symbolized as precision, ready for the world. Onward to global markets. Jujube's export success bridges fields to the future.